Yeah, hello, yeah. So welcome to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Rundel Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome all my new subscribers and the old ones as well. Yeah. Today I want to show you how you can make easy money without investment, without deposit, without anything. All you need is your phone and internet, and you'll be making money with this thing. You can make more than, let's say, 5 USDT daily, depending on how active you are. So I want to show you this thing. So I will leave the link in my description. And when you open the link, don't download the app from Play Store. Download the app from Android. So that thing. Yeah. So if you download the link and you go to invite, then you blend this code, the code on the screen, or I will leave the code in the description. So you earn 10 USDT for blending that code, cause like they just gave this code out, and if you blend this code you will get 10 USDT without doing anything. So let me show you. So when I open this app, this is how the app looks like. Yeah, this is how the app look like. Yeah, so this app is called Neptune Network. Yeah, so this app is a trading app. Yeah, it's a trading app, a wallet, and everything. So let me take you through this app, and after that I will show you how you can make money from it. But first of all, let's go to my this thing first. So when you go to my I will see the mine, you click on the invite friends. Then I will see the NFXAJE. You enter that code in your enter or scan bind. Then you bind it. If you click on the bind, it will bind it. So if you click on it for it to bind it, you'll get 10 USDT. So after that, you also share your you also share your own like code to your friends for them to also bind it, and they will get it, and you will get some. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Yeah. So when I come to the wallet, obviously you can receive money from. So if you want to receive money from anything, you copy your TRC 20 and you go to, let's say, Binance or Eversend or anything. Then you send money from there to here. This thing is very simple. And we have exchange and we have transfer. The transfer means that you want to transfer money from your wallet to some other platform. So when you're transferring the money, they charge you. The charge is only 1 USDT. 1 USDT. Yeah. So you enter the receive address, and you enter the transfer amount. Yeah. So let me show you how you can make money. So when I click on the market over here, you see every market will have the price. This wallet is very different from others because this wallet you can also invest. So when I come to trading, I will see the defi income. So I'll click on USDT. So if I invested money in USDT, let's say 10 USDT, and click on the stats, I will not do anything again. Daily I will receive 0.45%, and monthly I will receive 13.5% of the amount I invested over here. And you can invest from 10 USDT upwards. I hope you understand. So if I invested 10 USDT, 10 USDT, 10 USDT, I will get daily income. I try to invest. They say there's no enough USDT because when I come here, my wallet, you see that the USDT is zero unless I do what? I do exchange. So I have money over here, and right now 12 NUSDT is equal to 1 USDT. So I can transfer the NUSDT to USDT and what and what and purchase it. Yeah, but I want you to know it. This thing. So I can also click on NUSDT. So I can invest 10 NUSDT and get what and get 0.45% daily. So let me use the NUSDT. Is it 10? Starts. Obviously, so 6. That means I've invested 10 USD 10 NUSDT. So every day I'll get 0.5% from it. And monthly income, I'll earn 13.5% from the 10 USDT I invested. I can invest more. I can invest what? I can invest more. So since I've invested, you'll see that when the day is over, I will get something here in a deferred income. You see, when I go to my wallet, I visit my wallet. Right now, I have only two. So I've invested what 10 NUSDT. I've invested 10 NUSDT over there. So I will not do anything. Like it will work for me and get me money. You see that thing. So obviously I have 1,500 here. This is how I did it. The mine, since I'm an ambassador over there or on this app, you click on the invite friends, then you use the NFXAJE, then you click it over here, this like this NFXAJ capital E, then you click on the bind. So after clicking on the bind, you will receive 10 USDT. You receive for 10 USDT. So after you receiving the 10 USDT, you come to the the trading. Then you click on NUSDT. So what you invest 10 USDT over here, and daily you will get 0.45% from it, and monthly you will get 13.5 from it. And remember that NUSDT is also equal to what USDT. So let me go to the Google and show you. So this is how it is. So obviously USDT and NUSDT. So right now, one USDT is equal to what? One NUSDT. So if I have one USDT, it's equal to one NUSDT. If I have 5 USDT, it's equal to 5 NUSDT. If I have 50 USDT, it's equal to 50 NUSDT. You see that thing? You see, it's the same. So this thing, you don't need to invest anything. You don't need to invest anything. Just bind the NFX. If you bind it, if you bind that code, you'll get free 10 NUSDT. Then you come to trading and invest that 10 NUSDT and what? Just sleep. Just sleep. It will work for you. And after working for you, you come here, market USDT. Then you do your exchange and what? You'll get your money. So let's go to wallet transfer. So you see the transfer. So you enter your receive address over here, and you enter the amounts over here. Minimum amount you can withdraw is 2 USDT or 2 NUSDT. You say that thing and you withdraw it. And remember, 1 USDT is equal to what? It's equal to NUSDT. It's simple. It's simple. You see that thing? It's simple. It's simple. When I perform the tax, I got 10 free USDT. When I perform that tax, I get 10 free USDT. And I've invested the 10 free USDT. You see that thing? It's very, very well. It's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. And I know that since you are afraid to, let's say, invest, I think this one will help you, because this one is not your money. So if it went through good, you cash out. If not, you what? So it's not your money. So just go to my click on the invite friends and enter NFXAJE over there. You get free 10 USDT and you come to trading and you invest the amount over here and what you make money from it. And you can also deposit money in your USDT straight up. So when I go to the USDT, I can receive money from there. So I'll copy this thing and go to let's say Eversend or Yellow Card or Trust Wallet or Pax4 and transfer money to this account. I can also transfer money from here to there too. That's how it is. So it's very simple. It's very simple for you to do it. So right now I've invested what 10 NUSDT. So I think it's cool for you to start since it will not cost you anything. You see that thing? If it's real, it's real. If it's not real, it will not cost you anything. That's why I said online businesses, there's no harm in trying. Though you think that it may be scam, it may be blah 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 blah. That's why I've find a new app for you. This app you will not invest any money. You just do what I told you, and you'll be making money from it. So if you cash out, it's your own cash out. If not, you never what you not spend any money on it. Yeah. So this how you can make money without investing anything, how you can make free USDT without what investing anything, without investing anything. You just make your money and what cash out. You see that thing, make your money and cash out. So if you want to download this app, I will leave the link in the description, and I will leave the code too in the description so that you can try it, and you can also join their Telegram on this thing, or you can also watch most of their videos on YouTube over here too. Yeah, so it's very simple. And one thing is like, if you go to the app, you have private key. That private key, you don't have to share the private key with anyone, including your team. You don't have to what share anything with anyone. Everything. You don't have to share anything with anyone. That's your private key. Don't I will not click on it for you to see. Because when people see your private key, they can what withdraw your money without you knowing it. Yeah. So I think it's very nice and it's very educative. You can try, since you will not invest any money in it. You cannot try it. So I think I'm done and I'm out.